Hei alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss how to order coffee in Norwegian. Norway has a rich coffee culture, with its residents being among the top coffee consumers in the world. So when you're visiting this beautiful Scandinavian country, it's quite essential to know how to order your cup of joe. Not only will our discussion today help you to get your caffeine fix, but it will also provide a delightful insight into a key aspect of Norwegian daily life. Basic coffee-related vocabulary. Kaffe, 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 coffee. Sot kaffe, sot kaffe, sot kaffe. Black coffee. Med melk, med melk, med melk, with milk. Sukker, 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 sugar. Fløte, 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 cream. Espresso, 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 espresso. Pronounced similar to English. Cappuccino, 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 cappuccino. Pronounced similar to English. Latte, latte, latte. Latte, typically called caffè latte, caffè latte, caffè latte in Norway. Te, 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 tea. Varm sjokolade, varm sjokolade, varm sjokolade, hot chocolate. Ordering your coffee. Jeg vil gjerne ha, jeg vil gjerne ha, jeg vil gjerne ha. I would like, for example, jeg vil gjerne ha en sot kaffe. Jeg vil gjerne ha en sot kaffe. Jeg vil gjerne ha en sot kaffe. I would like black coffee. Kan jeg få, kan jeg få, kan jeg få, can I get? Kan jeg få en latte med sukker? Kan jeg få en latte med sukker? Kan jeg få en latte med sukker? Can I get a latte with sugar? En dobbel espresso, takk. En dobbel espresso, takk. En dobbel espresso, takk. A double espresso, please. Uten sukker, vær så snill. Uten sukker, vær så snill. Uten sukker, vær så snill. Without sugar, please. Size and preferences. Liten, liten, liten. Small. Medium, 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 medium. Often pronounced like the English word. Stor, 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 large. To specify size, you might say, jeg vil gjerne ha en stor kaffe. Jeg vil gjerne ha en stor kaffe. Jeg vil gjerne ha en stor kaffe. I would like a large coffee. Other useful phrases. Hvor mye koster det? Hvor mye koster det? Hvor mye koster det? How much does it cost? Takk, takk, takk. Thank you. Nei takk, nei takk, nei takk. No thank you. Vann, vær så snill. Vann, vær så snill. Vann, vær så snill. Water, please. It's common in Norwegian coffee shops to have a glass of water with your coffee. Har dere soyamelk? Har dere soyamelk? Har dere soyamelk? Do you have soy milk? Har dere mandelmelk? Har dere mandelmelk? Har dere mandelmelk? Do you have almond milk? With its coffee drinking tradition and the cozy concept of kos, 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 a term of warmth, comfort and well-being, Norway offers a unique coffee experience. While English is widely spoken, making an effort to order in Norwegian will surely enhance your experience and earn you appreciative smiles and communicate better with from locals and communicate better with locals. So next time you're in Norway, remember these phrases and enjoy your kaffe, 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 the Norwegian way. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School, patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcast, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chats, transcripts, early access to new content, private one-on-one classes, Discord access, etc. for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.